What type of equipment do we need, Lies?
So you can use anything, but we're using pillows, chairs, slide, trampoline, and seesaw. You can use anything.
Okay, so basically you can use anything you've got in the garden or in the house. And what we're going to do is we're going to play music from Pirates of the Caribbean. And the guys are going to be dancing around the garden. And when I shout out, pirates are coming, they got 3 seconds to get onto an island. Ready, guys?
Yes!
Okay, off we go. Pirates are coming! 3, 2, 1. Off we go! Pirates are coming! Nice one! Go! Pirates are coming! 3, 2, 1! Ooh, that was close, Wills. Brilliant. Okay, wave goodbye, guys.
Bye!